In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to catch sniper entries, and I'm going to be showing you a unique, refined strategy that you can use to catch sniper entry on all your trade. So if you wait to the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do this step by step. And you might feel that you know some of all these things, but trust me, you need to just watch it and look at exactly what I'm doing so you can apply this to your trading. If you are new in trading, I'm going to try to simplify this as possible. So you need to pay attention. And before we go further, if you are not following my channel, you need to hit the like, subscribe, and also turn on your notifications so whenever I post valuable content like this, you can be the first to be notified about it. Because here I don't hide knowledge, I just want to impact as many people as possible into trading and making sure that a lot of people become profitable in trading. And this is not all about the Lamborghinis that you see online from all those gurus and that don't even know how to trade. And some of them, they just show you the Lamborghini, they don't actually show you how to trade and make this money for yourself. But here in CentraFX is different. Here we show you what you need to know to make money from the forex market. So let's dive in. So the first thing we are going to identify when we are inside any trade is we are going to be looking for the directional bias. Where is the market trending? Is it a bullish trend or bearish trend? But in this case, we have a break of structure. So this is a break of structure to the upside. So meaning that we are bullish. So I want to be looking for buy setup in a bullish structure. If you don't know what a structure is, I think I have a video about market structure, so you can go to my YouTube channel and search for it and watch it and understand what price action market structure is. But I'll just do a brief recap on that. So you can see that price is going up, is coming down, higher high, higher low, higher high, break of structure. This high was violated. So yeah, this high was broken, so this is a break of structure. Price returned back to this zone. This is another break of structure. Price returned back to this zone. This is another break of structure. As long as the high keeps breaking structure to the upside, we are in a bullish trend. So same thing, if price wants to change direction, price is going to come and violate the higher low, and then once price violate the higher low, this is considered as a market structure shift or a change of character. So we are either buying or selling. There's one thing about the market that is unique: we are either buying or selling. So if you are not buying, if you are not going up, we are coming down. So anyone, if it's coming down, you are selling. If it's going up, you are buying. So once price does a market structure shift like this and it breaks this low, so we are expecting price to do something like this. So retrace back to at least 50% of this zone before selling, for doing something like this. So this is exactly what we're doing, and you can see that the trend have changed from uptrend to downtrend. You can see that there's a break of structure, break of structure, a break of structure. So here we now have series of lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, something like that, until price choose to change direction. So there's one thing I like about the price action is that price will give you a clue of what it's about to do. So this thing about trading is patience. Like 99% patience and 10% execution. just have to know that this is how it works. If you are impatient or you are not disciplined, you are going to lose money first. You need to learn how to be disciplined. Wait for your setup to play out before you engage. So now you can see that after this break of structure, this was the guy that initiated this break of structure. So this should be our order block. If you want to know what order block is, you can go to my YouTube channel. I did a video about order block, so you can go and check that out. But in this video, I'm not going to go deep into what an order block is. So we are waiting for price to come back to our, after this break of structure. Anything that is happening inside this range is our internal structure, while this break of structure here is our external structure. So you can, let me just draw a box so you can see what this looks like. So you can see that this break of structure here that occurred here is our external break of structure, while price is retracing back. Anything that happened here, you can call it noise, or you can wait patiently for price to come to this zone before looking for your entry to buy. But there's what we also call counter trading. Is done by, if you're a pro, you can do this, but you need to know what you're doing before you do this. If you don't have the discipline to do counter trading, I would just advise you to wait for price to come to your order block and look for confirmation entry and buy. So but here I posted this setup on my free Telegram channel, and a lot of people made money from this single trade. A lot of people made money from this trade because I posted it there for free. And you can see, let me explain to you what made me get involved in this trade, because actually I know that price will surely come down and mitigate this order block. So what I will do is that I'll wait for a confirmation before I can enter this trade. So you can see here, price was trending up. Price broke, violated this high. Yeah, immediately price violated this high. Price retraced back and broke this structure here. So now this high becomes a strong high. So this high becomes protected. So what I will do is that I actually missed this guy. I missed the entry here. So I waited patiently for another entry to play out. So this is what now occurred here. Price went up, higher high, price went down. Then price was supposed to come to somewhere around this zone, then buy. But instead, after price did this, price went up, then price came down and violated this low. So now this becomes a strong high. This becomes a protected high, because definitely liquidity, price only went up to take liquidity that was above this zone. So liquidity is where money is, where people are setting their stop loss. So this is what I want to be seeing on my market structure shift. Once price goes up or come down, and once price takes out a liquidity, and price immediately price takes out the liquidity, price breaks, come down and does a market structure shift. So this becomes a structure shift here, market structure shift here, or you can also call it change of character. Anyhow you want to call it, is the same thing. I promise you that. You just have to keep it simple. So once price did this market structure shift here, now this has given me a confirmation that price is about to sell. Remember I told you that price first took out this guy, and immediately price took out this guy here. Price so this guy here is liquidity that price went for the liquidity, so this becomes a protected high. So price does a market structure shift. So I'll wait patiently for price to retrace back to a premium zone before selling this market. Some of you who doesn't know about premium and discount, you can go to my YouTube channel. I did a video about premium and discount. So in is it's simple. This is simple. If you want to buy, you buy at a discounted price. If you want to sell, you're supposed to be selling at a discount price, at a premium price. So the logic is that you are supposed to be buying at a discount and selling at a premium. So you can see that I waited. Okay, I, I did this wrong. Okay, so I'll bring my Fibonacci tool and then I'll draw it from this swing high to this swing low here. So now look at this. After price does this market structure shift here, price retraces back to my 618. This is once price gets to your 618, this golden zone is extra confluence, extra confirmation that price might really out from that zone. So this is my other block here. This is the other block here that caused this low here. So now I want to get involved in this market. After drawing my Fibonacci and I see that price have gone above this 50% and it's even triggered my 618. Let me show you my Fibonacci settings so you can screenshot it and use this for your own, because the Fibonacci tools is a very powerful tool when trading. So you always use this for your trade confirmation. So let me take out this Fibonacci so my chart will be clean, because I always like my chart to be very clean as possible. I don't want to complicate things. So what I want to do is that once price retrace back to this zone, I'll bring up my my short position. Then I'll set my stop loss above this high, this protected high. I don't want to get stopped out from this market. There's one thing about you having a right analysis. You are correct, but you end up not making money from your analysis even after you are correct. So you need to learn how to make money from your analysis even when you are correct, and when you are also wrong, you need to learn how to make money from it also. So you need to know how to set your stop loss in a right place that you don't get stopped out. Sometimes price might stock you out from the trade, and because of where you set your stop loss, let's say for example I set my stop loss here, price might run you out and then boom, it goes your direction, and you'll be very angry because you were correct and at the end of the day you didn't make money from it. So you set your stop loss above here. This, mind you, this is a sniper entry. Check the time frame, you know that this is a sniper entry. So now you want to be targeting this low, this other block here. This is where you want to be targeting this other block that initiated this break of structure. Yeah, so because you want to be buying at that zone, so this is you can choose to target this low. Yeah, for me I'll target this low. Yeah. So what I'll do is that I'll draw my level here, so I will show you how to manage your trade well. So even if price choose to misbehave, you are still going to be safe. So this is what I do. After price I've retraced back to my entry and tap me inside the trade, I'll sell instantly in my MT5. I will sell instantly. So once I sell, I will be selling once price takes out this low here. Once price takes out this low here, it means that I'm going to break even. If you don't know what break even means, you can go to my YouTube channel. You see I made a video about that, so you can go and watch it, but I will break it down for you. A break even is when you move your stop loss to your entry, because price has broken this low here. So now this is a break of structure, so you have confirmation that price is going your direction now, because price has broken structure again. So price has broken a structure here, so now you move your stop loss to break even. So even if price choose to reverse against you, you are not going to lose any money. You are still going to be safe. But you know how painful it is when you are in profit and then price now goes against you and hits your stop loss. Imagine seeing money and then you are losing money. So no, you are supposed to break even after price breaks this low, this first low. So this is your first take profit. So when price, after price now move down, when price does let me show you. So when price gets to somewhere around this zone, yeah, around this zone or this zone, yeah, you just come and look at the liquidity there. When price gets to that zone there, now you can now take partials. You can see, yeah, somewhere here. When price comes to this zone, you can now take partials of your profits. So taking partials of your profits, because we don't control the market, we only speculate. So we don't know, price might choose to reverse anytime, but once price gets to somewhere around here, you are supposed to take partials. So even if your trade choose to reverse against you, you are still going to leave the market with money. So after you take partials, you leave the trade, the rest to run free. So most of the time, 75% of the time, price will always go to hit your take profits. But this time around, you are, since you have already broken even and you have already taken partials, it's going to help your psychology, because you are going to, you won't be bothered about the trade anymore, because you have taken half of your position and broken even. So you're going to leave the rest to run, and most of the time the rest is going to run and hit your take profit. So this is how I took advantage of this setup here. How I counter traded against the trend, and I sold down to my order block. Yeah, my order block. This is my order block. Let me take out this guy so you don't be confused. So this is my order block here. So when price got to that my order block, I wanted to look for a buy opportunity. Like I said before, let me switch to my lower time frame so you can understand what I'm trying to say here. So you can see that this is something I do over and over and over again, and it's something that works for me. And I believe if you apply the same rules that I'm doing here, you're also going to start seeing changes in your trading. And my mentorship program is already active. If you want a one-on-one mentorship, you can check the link in this video and reach out to me. And you can also apply to join my VIP Discord server so you can learn from the live market and also make money while you learn. So that's the beauty of being in my VIP, because I will tell you the right time to enter. I also tell you when not to get involved in the market, so there's no how you're not going to learn from the live market. So let me now show you how I took advantage of this setup and made money from it also. So you can see, like I said before, I want to be looking for price taking out the low, price taking out this guy here. Immediately price took out this guy, price went up and did a break of structure. No, and does a market structure shift. If I go into my 1 minute time frame, you're gonna see what I'm saying clearly. Okay, yeah, so this is clear now. So you see here, once price did this, took out this low here, price took out this guy here, immediately price does that, price the market structure shift, taking out this guy here. So you see what I'm saying? Higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low, breakout structure. So this is a breakout structure. Normally price is supposed to trace back to somewhere around this zone. This is the other block that caused this breakout structure. Price is supposed to trace back somewhere around there and keep on selling, keep on with the trend. this is a bearish trend. Price was selling, so we don't get involved yet because price has gotten to our other block. We wait for confirmation. So as long as price keeps breaking structure, we are still bearish. So what I want to be saying is that price taking out the low, which is now a liquidity run, price will retrace back, we retrace and breaks this previous high, making it a market structure shift. So now I know that price have changed trend. Now this is a market structure shift. So I want to be looking for how to enter to get involved in this trade. So what I will do is that I'll bring up my Fibonacci and I will draw from the swing low to the swing high. Yeah. So I want price to retrace back to at least 50% of my POI. So you can see that after price would actually retrace back to 50%. But if you are not so sure because price did not go to your 618 and you need additional confirmation, price did another break of structure here. You can see this structure here. Price did a break of structure. This first one is market structure shift, then this is a break of structure. I know that price is really going up now. Price have really changed structure, and price is becoming bullish because of this break of structure here. So how do I get involved in this market? So normally I'm supposed to wait for price to retrace back to 50% of this zone. So let me bring up my Fibonacci and go from this swing low to this swing high. So price actually retraced back to this breaker block here. If you don't know what a breaker block is, you can go to my YouTube channel, is there. So price retraced back to this breaker block, and you can buy from here. But let's say you miss this opportunity here. You can see, that's why I say you don't chase the market. You don't chase the market. You allow price to come to you. You don't chase it. If you chase it, you're gonna get stopped out because you are competing with people that are very, very smart, people that have more capital than you. So you need to be wise. You need to be patient in this trading business. Any mistake you make, you pay with $1. You pay with $1. Any single mistake you make. So now let's say you do not get involved in this trade, and now let me show you something. Price now does this break of structure here. Price does another break of structure here. Wow. So when price did that, so this, some people that don't know how to trade, newbies, they will use it as the order block and expect price to come there to this zone before buying. Definitely you can see that when price got to that zone, price acted as if it wants to react from this zone. Yeah, look, price, see price, as price got here, price took at this guy, price did as if it wanted to react from there, then price came back and cleared people that entered from here. So now imagine how many people entered from this zone, they are stocked out. So this low here becomes an inducement. This is liquidity. So this is the other block that created this massive movement here. So you waited patiently for price to get to that zone, and once price took out this guy here. So what I do is that price got to my other block here. So what I would do is that I will set my entry there. I'll set my entry and go long, then I'll set my stop loss right below this other block, somewhere here, somewhere that is reasonable, then my target is this high here. This is my target. Wow, you can see how this trade went. You can see immediately price took out this inducement here. See, after price does a market structure shift, price returned back and created this low here. Price broke structure, did a retracement and broke structure again. Now this becomes an inducement. This is a smart money trap. A lot of people will be entering their trade here, but if you check below here, there is a fair value gap lying below this zone here. You need to know all these reference points. This is a fair value gap. So fair value gap. So so it is very, very certain that price will use this as liquidity and come to fill up this imbalance. This is an imbalance, a fair value gap that is there. Gaps are not meant to be in the market. So price came back and fill up the imbalance and then fill up the remaining, mitigating remaining orders that was lying in this order block here. And then you can see how price move up. Very sweet trade. Very, very sweet trade. I feel like eating this trade right now. So let's say, for example, you missed this big move and you are like angry. Oh, why did I miss this setup? Why was I not active when this thing was playing out? You can see price still gave opportunity for late comers. You can, though it doesn't always plays out this way, but most of the times price always give room for people that want to confirm, people that needs additional confirmation, before they enter the trade. So now price will trace back, and look at where price choose to come and react from. Price reacted from this fair value gap. Yeah, mind you, this is a sniper entry. You can see I risked one to get 6. See, the risk reward is very, very mad. So this is a sniper entry. Imagine, god, this is so sweet. So you can see that price came immediately. Price got to this fair value gap. Price reacted from here immediately. So there's one key information that you can use to enter this kind of entry. You want to be looking for a swing point, because of this kind of situation. We're going to be looking for a swing high. So what a swing high here is that you're going to be looking for a 3 candle formation, something like this, and something like this. So this guy, let's say this guy here is let me change color. Let's say this guy here is green, and this one is red. This can be green also, depends. So you are going to be looking for this kind of candle formation. 1, 2, 3. This long one here is a wick. This is like a liquidity sweep. It's sweeping out this low here, and then this candle here, this is going to be our entry point. Immediately as this third candle closes, you're going to be setting your entry above this place. And then if this wick is not too long, is not far away from this third candle, you are supposed to put your stop loss below this wick. But if this wick is so long, you can put it below this third candle close. So that's exactly what I did here. Let me show you. So you can see that when price got to that zone, after price sweep out this low, this is 1, 2, 3. Enter my guy here. Like I said, if you enter close of the third candle. Close of the third candle. So I set my stop loss. Like I said, if the wick is longer, is far away from if the third candle is far away from this wick and is very very long, you can set your stop loss below the third candle. Then I want to be targeting this guy here, or if you look for the higher time frame, I can be targeting somewhere here, this other block here. So you can see after this 1 2 3, this is a nice confirmation. So you can see back to back entry. I entered this place, I waited again for after I took my profit here, after price came back to fill up this guy, and then I saw this confirmation, this swing high confirmation here. I entered again, and then I first of all, after price broke, like I said before, the rules here is when price breaks this guy here, you break even. Then after price does that, price breaks this guy here, you take partials of your trade, then you leave the rest run. So anything that want to happen, you don't care. If you leave it, most of the time, 75% of the time, price will go your way to go to and hit your TP. But you need to be more conservative, so you don't always lose money. At least you will become profitable in this market and hit their money once in a while, so you can see how price got to my POI, my target. Then I will show you this last one, the one that happened today. Oh my god, this one is very very sweet. I caught this one live. I posted this particular one on my free Telegram channel, and a lot of people made money from this particular setup. This setup is so sweet. I love it. I made money from this particular setup. So what I did here is, let me show you what I did here. Let me switch to a higher time frame, 15 minutes, so you can see exactly what is happening here on this chart. So as you can see boldly on this chart, then so when price got to this zone, price took out this high. You can see this long wick here, it took out this high here. Immediately price did that. When price did this, took out this high here, the candle rejection was very very long. So it was as if price was rejecting this place. Price only came to took out the liquidity that was lying there. People said their stop loss, so price came to run them over. Then I switched to my lower time frame as usual to see what's going on, to see how I can get my sniper ready and shoot my target. So this is what I did here. Let me switch to 1 minute so you can see it clearly. Oh my god. By this time I'm already loading my sniper bullets, ready to secure the perimeter. So what I did here is that when price took out this guy here, so I waited for, you can see that price did like this. Price retraced back. After price retraced back, price broke this structure here. So we are still bullish. I told you that as long as price keeps breaking structure, even if price have gotten to your other block, as long as price keeps going up, we are still bullish. If we don't see confirmation, we don't enter anything bearish. So once price did a retracement here and a higher low, price did a higher high again, it broke this guy here, it broke this structure here, forming higher high, it break a structure here. So immediately price did that, price retraced back immediately and violated this low here. Wow. So now this makes this place our protected high, and then this is our market structure shift. This is our market. You see, this thing plays out every single day. You just need to calm down and master how this thing move. If you want to learn more about this strategy, you can come to my DM, you can message me, you can apply for my one-on-one mentorship, or you can join my um VIP Discord server. I will be glad to show you how this thing works. But let me tell you one secret about trading. You can't skip the learning process if you want to be profitable. There's one thing, some people just want to just come inside the forex market and start making money immediately. You can't skip the process. You need to gain experience, you need to learn, you need someone that's already gotten experience before, and they've the market have shown them shege, so they have been able to understand the way the market works. That's what the work of a mentor. Somebody that have experience. So you need to have a mentor. You need to learn first. Once you have learned, then there's no how you're not gonna make money in this market. There is no field you want to go into that you will skip the learning process. If you want to go for programming, I'm a software engineer also. If you want to go for programming, you need to spend you need to use 3-4 years before you can master a program very well. You need to do constant practice. Same thing here in trading. Trading also is a skill. You need to learn. You can't skip the learning process. Seek for the knowledge first. Once you have know how to trade, there's no how you're not going to make money in this market. So now price has done a market structure shift. Yeah, wow. So what did I want to do now? I want price to retrace back to a more premium level. Like I said, you sell in a premium zone, buy in a discount zone. So now that has given me a structural shift to the downside. That means I want to be selling as premium. So what I will do is that I'll bring up my Fibonacci. I'll draw my fib level from this swing high to this swing low. So you can see. So I waited for price to retrace back to at least 50%, and then this was my order block here. Let me switch to 3 minutes so you can see the order block clearly. So you can see that in my 3 minutes. Okay, you can see that my order block is there. Wow. So you can see that price traced back to my 618. I love this. That's my golden zone. So once price traced down there, I pick up my sniper tools. I snipe my target. I entered into a sell here. And what I did was that after entering into the sell, the sell, I posted this setup on my channel. I'm going to be showing you screenshots of some of my students that made money from this particular trade. You can look at this guy. Yeah, this guy was really happy. It was like he has been trading before, but he wasn't really seeing results because where it was before, I don't really know, but he made money from this trade and he was really happy. And then he sent me the screenshot, and then I'm happy because I love seeing people using my signal to make money. Everybody must make money from this market. So you can see immediately price got there, I entered into this trade and I waited for price to come back. Once price violated this low, like I always say, once price violated this low, I break even. So this trade is running free now. So even if price should reverse, I don't care. So now after price did that, price came to this zone here. You see this zone here, this is like a breaker block. This is a breaker block here. So what I did is that I took out half of my position from this zone. So now I've taken out half of my position, meaning that my money is safe. Then I leave the remaining one to run. So you can see that the remaining one still ran, and this was my target. Let me show you my target. This low here, this guy here is my target. This liquidity here, that's lying here, that was my. You can see price came to that zone. Like I said, after you take partials, leave the remaining one to run. 75% of the time, price will always go to your target, and I hit my target. A good day in trading, because if you lose, it's part of the game. If you win, it's also part of the game. So imagine if I add 2 losses or 3 losses trying to enter this trade, or in my previous trade. This particular trade alone, this particular trade alone can cover up for all my losses and still make me profitable. That's how trading works. You need to accept the losses, you need to embrace it, and then you need to also accept the winning. If you are winning, it's a normal thing, it's just a normal trading day. If you are losing, it's also part of the business. You need to adjust your mindset to this. That is when having a good mindset when you are trading is to give you an edge. So that's how this works. Wow, I'm even seeing another setup right now on that, but I'm not going to enter this trade now. Just leave it till tomorrow because this is midnight. So you can see that price came and violated this low here. Definitely this is a liquidity run. After price did that, price came and took out this guy here. Now this is a market structure shift. It's a market structure shift. So what might happen here is that break up my Fibonacci from this guy to this guy, my swing low to my swing high. So I might wait for price to come to somewhere around this zone, somewhere around this zone, or this zone, yeah, before longing on this trade. So that this is how it is. This is just how it is. You can go to my YouTube channel and watch most of my video, and make sure you subscribe. If you stay to the end of this video, it means you are a step closer to become a profitable trader. It means you are really hungry to make money from this market. I just want you to not give up. Go to your chart and back test this strategy. If you're having any issue, you can message me, or you can join my mentorship program, and where I host weekly Zoom meeting. I also when any analysis I post on my VIP, I explain why I'm taking every single trade, so you can learn from the live market. So you should seek for the knowledge first before you can even think of how to make money. But there's one good thing that you have when you apply for my mentorship program, is you can make money while you are learning. So that is one of the great advantage of the mentorship program. This should be all for now. Bye for now, and have a good time.